got caught a pine tree down, fell through the ground like Alice. Oh, what a sound! This must be a nest. I got rocks and sticks against my chest. I'm Alice. Dear Queen of Hearts, I'ma grow you white roses so you can learn to be kind. Tell King of Hearts to arm all his forces so you can learn to be kind. Oh, what a start! Inside out and upside down. No stress, I'ma clean up this mess like Alice. First hand me scissors, then bring out the heavy artillery. Oh, justice is my middle name. I'm Alice. I'ma grow you white roses so you can learn to be kind. Tell King of Hearts to arm all his forces so you can learn to be kind. Hearts, I'ma grow you white roses so you can learn to be kind.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. So behind us we have a garden worked. We've got some more mess cleaned up. I even dug a grave for our family dog today that we had to put down over the winter. And well, but anyway, that's depressing. But anyhow, so the title of this video, there's not a rototiller in the world that could beat this for your garden. And I'm telling you guys, I've used a lot of rototillers over the years, things like that. And I have never used anything, even a small tractor with a rototiller on it, that even comes close to working ground like that old Gravely and rotary plow can do. Now, some of you older guys who watch this channel, guys like Mike Hagdahl, you know, the ancient decrepit ones, and you know, guys like that, they'll know exactly what that machine is. They were very popular amongst your gardeners and your homeowners, things like that. I think they made the first one in the 20s. I could be wrong. It was either the 20s or the early 1930s. And I believe they were invented in West Virginia, if I remember right. I could be wrong. I know it's somewhere down there. But those, that was one of the last models that they made in those eras of machines. That one's a 94. I have a 1958 and a 1961. It's called a Gravely walk-behind tractor. And I'm telling you guys, it is one of the handiest tools ever. There are times I've got a 30-inch brush hog for that thing that you wouldn't believe the stuff you can knock down with that if you take your time. You know, I can get that thing in places that I can't get my tractor in. And that's why I was using it over by the driveway today, because it's so soft over there. I could actually push stuff around without making ruts, because I get sick of fixing ruts. You know, I found with that machine that if it has traction, you could do anything you want with it, and it's really nice. But oh, pardon me, got to adjust this leg, this damn leg. But anyway, they made over 200 attachments for those things. You'd be amazed what you can find for them. The only other machine that I know of modern that's just like that is it's a BCS machine, and they make little tiny 2x2 round balers for those, all kinds of neat stuff. But a rotary plow is just amazing. That's a single pass on a garden that has not been worked in 3 years. That's the machine that you guys have seen parked by the barn for quite some time. I actually used that machine to break all the ground up to work it for putting the barn slab in, so it worked great. That was the last time that thing was used, was over there for the barn slab. So, but anyway, a lot of work today, but boy has it been nice. It's nice to have a bit of a dry day, all that good stuff. And I think tonight Emma's going to be in the barn with me. We're going to do some more foraging. So anyway, I'll catch you guys on the next one.